Lynn Bird from Legence Bank. I want to talk to you today about saving money. Saving money is one of those things that's so much easier said than done. It can be very challenging. Here are a few tips on how to set realistic goals, keep your spending in check, and to get the most for your money. For short-term goals, this can be an easy task. This may include purchases such as a MP3 player, bicycle, or video game. In speaking long-term, they can be a little trickier as a lot more planning needs to be involved. It will definitely take you a lot longer to save for a down payment for a car or house. Set a time frame. Set a definite time frame for all your goals, but make sure they are attainable. If you set a goal time frame that is unrealistic, you will probably lose interest, get discouraged, and give up. Actually sit down and determine how much you will need to save weekly, monthly, or per paycheck to reach your savings goals. Eliminate debt. Calculate how much you spend each month on your debt purchases. This will help you to see how eliminating debt can be one of the fastest ways to free up extra money. Once your money is freed from debt, it can then be used toward your saving goals. Plus, the sooner the debt is paid, the less interest you will pay, and the total debt amount will be considerably less. Keep a record of expenses. Make 2 columns, one for how much you make and then the other for how much you spend. Write down everything for a month or 2. Itemize each purchase such as payments, utilities, gas, food, entertainment, etc. For those that have a smartphone, there are also apps that you can download to help you track your expenses. Try to trim expenses. Take a look at your spending records for the last month or 2. You will probably be surprised on what you have spent your money on during that time frame. You will likely see some areas where cuts can be made easily. Take into consideration your priorities and make cuts that you can live with. Make a budget. Once you have managed to balance your earning and spending, write down a budget. That way you can track each month or paycheck what you are comfortably able to spend and still keep your savings goals intact. Utilize your bank's variety of accounts. Check with your bank to see what kind of interest you can earn on an account to park the bulk of your cash. It's a lot easier to track your savings if it is separate from your everyday spending money. Savings accounts generally earn more interest than most checking accounts, so you will earn a little bit more for your money. Pay yourself first. Some other ways to make savings a priority is to set up transfers. You can set up an automatic transfer at your bank to transfer from checking to savings, maybe after you have received your direct deposit. Some employers allow savings deductions from your paycheck. This makes it easier as it's money taken out that you never see, so therefore you never miss. A good way to save for retirement is to participate in your employer's 401k program. This is money taken out before taxes and is also tax deferred. Come into any of our branches today and we can sit down and help get you started. With a little hard work and determination, you can make your goals a reality. As always, thank you for choosing Legence Bank. Friends you can bank on.